Kotlin Desktop, Lesson 9, Database and Storage. We'll build a contact manager with SQLite and Exposed. Here's what we're building: a contact manager with full CRUD operations. Add, edit, and delete contacts through dialog forms. A search bar filters contacts in real time. Data persists in a local SQLite database. Create the Contact Manager project. Same Gradle settings as before. Generate the Gradle wrapper, version 8.10. Three plugins: Kotlin, Compose, and the Compose compiler. No serialization needed this time. Exposed Core and JDBC for the ORM. SQLite JDBC driver for the database. Create the source directory. Project setup is done. First file, Database.kt, the table schema and connection setup. Contacts extends IntIdTable. 3 columns: name, phone, and email, each with a max length. initDatabase connects to a local SQLite file and creates the table if it doesn't exist. Reviewing database. Just 16 lines. Clean and simple. Contact repository.kt, a data class and 5 CRUD functions. The contact data class holds id, name, phone, and email. getAllContacts wraps a query in a transaction block. Every database operation needs a transaction. Insert, update, and delete, each one wrapped in its own transaction. Reviewing the repository. 5 functions, about 45 lines. App content is our main composable. 5 state variables drive the entire UI. The refresh function requeries the database. If search is empty, get all contacts. Otherwise, search. Scaffold provides the layout structure. A floating action button opens the Add dialog. The search field filters contacts as you type. A clear button resets the query. LazyColumn displays the contact list. Each item gets edit and delete callbacks. Three dialogs: add, edit, and delete. The same contact dialog component handles both add and edit. Contact card shows name, phone, and email with edit and delete icon buttons. Contact dialog is a reusable form with 3 text fields and save and cancel buttons. Reviewing app content. About 100 lines of composable code. Last file, main.kt. Initialize the database, then launch the window. initDatabase runs before the application block. Window is 800 by 600 with a dark theme. Reviewing main, clean and simple, database init, window, and app content. For Kotlin files, let's check the project tree. Clean compile, build successful. Run Gradle run to launch the app. It starts with an empty contact list. Click the plus button to add a contact. Fill in name, phone, and email, then save. Add a second contact. The list updates immediately after each save. Type in the search bar to filter. Only matching contacts appear. Clear to show all. Edit a contact to update the phone number. Delete removes it after confirmation. Five key takeaways from today's lesson. Table definition. Exposed IntIdTable defines your schema with typed columns. Connect. Database.connect with a SQLite JDBC driver string. Repository. Transaction blocks wrap all CRUD operations. State refresh. Requery after mutations to keep the UI in sync. Dialogs. AlertDialog with outlined text fields for data entry forms. Subscribe for more Kotlin desktop tutorials. See you in Lesson 10.